Your body is always controlled by your brain without you even knowing it. Your heart will try hell lot of its part to make the things that you wanted to do. But the brain tells otherwise. The brain always needs rest. The brain always needs to enjoy. It applies for everyone in this world. But the difference is how you and other person or the topper are dealing with that particular mindset. If you can go against your brain, if you are accepting the fact that it is common to everyone and I am really gonna deal with it, I am overcoming my brain and keeping my heart into priority and doing things, you will really achieve to greater heights. This happened with me too today, so I would like to give you an example of mine what happened with me. There was this marriage which I have to attend of my bestie. So I need to go to that function, on 8th of November. So I have booked my tickets on 7th afternoon. My brain is like I didn't even started my journey. It's like 2 days, but my brain keeps on thinking about the journey I have to take on tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It will always tell me to do that stuff, to think about that stuff without me concentrating on that particular day. At my office, I did my level best to concentrate. Like I did the custom module review. I tried to recall some things like easily forgettable things of eggs in microbiology, like eggs in parasitology, and also the spines of cystosoma and all. But after coming home, I have several reasons to say, like literally, I am having sleepless nights, I could say. I'm really having them, but all I could say is an excuse for being not, studying today. So I have to improve this particular thing of not thinking about tomorrow's or day after tomorrow's day. And today's takeaway is think about present and you will succeed. Here is my custom module. Bye.